So there was a study done on this typo squatting, slop squatting, let's say, syndrome. For the study, the researchers ran 30 tests, 16 in the Python programming language and 14 in JavaScript, that generated 19,200 code samples per test, for a total of 576,000 code samples. Of the 2.23 million package references contained in these samples, 440,445, or 19.7%, pointed to packages that didn't exist. Among these 440,445 package hallucinations, 205,474 had unique package names. One of the things that makes package hallucinations potentially useful in supply chain attacks is that 43% of package hallucinations were repeated over 10 queries. In addition, the researchers wrote, 58% of the time, a hallucinated package is repeated more than once in 10 iterations, which shows that the majority of hallucinations are not simply random errors, but a repeatable phenomenon that persists across multiple iterations. This is significant because a persistent hallucination is more valuable for malicious actors looking to exploit this vulnerability, and makes the hallucination attack vector a more viable threat. So this goes into it adds a little more detail to a previous article that we went over, which described, well, it kind of touched on it, honestly. It touched on the entire premise of typo squatting, slop squatting, and I thought this was good because the numbers here are pretty wild. We're talking about a potential of up to 20% of hallucinated references to things that don't exist. And if they're systematically repeatable, then yes, absolutely, you can be a malicious actor who tries to recreate the hallucinated naming of such a package so that you get the name that the model would give out to everybody else,